All right, guys, in this video, I am literally going to open your eyes to finally being able to see everything that you need to see in Facebook to make educated decisions, increase your ROI, and really run your business. So many people miss out on this because they don't know that it's there. And in this video, I'm going to enlighten you. I'm going to open your eyes. I'm going to show you how to very easily organize everything on your Facebook dashboard that you need to see. Because now that you've gone through all of the training on setting up the Facebook pixel, if you've done everything that I've told you to do involving setting up the Facebook pixel up to this point, in this video, if you just click on everything I tell you to click on and apply everything, it is going to blow you away, everything that you're going to be able to see. So let's go in my Facebook dashboard now. Okay, so here we are in my Facebook dashboard. All right, so this is one of my accounts that has a ton of data in it. And anytime you are new to Facebook and you log in, this is what you're going to see. This is pretty much the default for all Facebook accounts on all of the data that they show up front. So they show you the name of your campaign in the first column, if it's active, and in the second column they show you the results called conversions, the reach, so they show you how many people have actually seen your ad, your cost per conversion or cost per paid objective, and the amount of money you spent. Okay, but what's missing here, right? What is missing? Well, we can't see how much money we've made adjacent to how much money we've spent, right? I mean, wouldn't it be nice to be able to tell how much money I made off of this $271 here or this $44? See, right now, all I can see is how much money I've spent. That does me no good. I need to be able to tell which ads are generating a profit for me, right? And I got to tell you, this is one of the main things that screws people up. This is where they miss out, you know? So check this out. If you look over here where it says columns right here, okay? This little button that says columns. If you click on this, notice it says performance. That is basically the standard. The default is performance. If you click on this button, it's going to give you the ability to add in other columns. And if you do what I'm about to show you, I'm telling you, it's going to blow your mind. So go ahead and click on this button that says columns. All right, now when you click on this, you're going to see a couple of options: delivery, engagement, video, carousel, so on and so on and so on. Okay. Now the ones with the little gray X's by them are custom ones that I've set up. So don't worry about those. Now, at the very bottom, what you're going to do is hit the button that says Customize Columns, okay? Now, this is going to allow you to set up your own custom dash for Facebook. So let's do that now. Let's click Customize Columns. Okay, great. When we hit Customize Columns, it's going to bring up all of the different options that Facebook allows us to view in our dashboard. What I want you to do is come over here and just click the X on all of this stuff other than delivery and reach, okay? Delivery and reach and amount spent. So we're going to get rid of ends, schedule, relevant score. We do want to see budget, so we can leave budget there, but it's not really necessary. Cost and let me see, results, okay? So we are now having our dash set up to show us the name, if it's active or not, how many people have seen it, what our daily budget is, and how much money we've actually spent. Now what we want to do is add in all of the things that we need to see to really run our business. So to do that, you can scroll through all of these, look at all these options that Facebook gives you to view. Rather than scroll through all of these and try to find the ones you're looking for, what I would do is just come up here to the search thing at the top and type in Facebook. And if you type in Facebook, see how it says Facebook Pixel on all of these? I know they're all bunched together, so bear with me. Here are the ones that you want to view. Remember, we've got 3 different events that we optimize our ads off of: view content, add to cart, and purchase. So what we want to do is we want to see all of our view contents, all of our add to carts, and all of our purchases. All right. But additionally, we also want to see what our average cost per purchase is. This is the average cost for each purchase tracked by your Facebook pixel on your website after viewed and clicked. Okay, so what this means is it's going to measure how much money am I spending before I acquire a customer for each customer. So you'll see that when I bring it up on the dash. And then we also want to see our purchase conversion value. So this is the total value or revenue of the purchase actions tracked by your ads. All right, so let's click all of these, and now you can see them over here. Now we just want to organize them properly. So that said, we're going to take view content, we're going to put it right there. Then we're going to take add to cart, put it right there. Then we are going to take purchase, and we're going to put it right there. And we're going to take our cost per purchase and put it right there, amount spent, and purchase conversion value. So this is the funnel. They click on our ad, they add the product to the cart, and they buy it. How much did it cost us for each buyer? In other words, what's the average amount of money we spend on this ad before we acquire a new customer? How much money did we spend and how much money did we make? Now, once you've set this up, I want you to come down here to the bottom left and hit Save as Preset, and then you can name it. So we can name it anything we want, or just put whatever you want in here. It doesn't matter, but definitely hit Save as Preset. All right, now let's hit Apply, and you're gonna see it's going to be like putting on, if you have bad vision and you can't see anything, it's going to be like putting on glasses for the first time, because all of a sudden you're going to start seeing where your money is being made and where your money is being lost. All right, so let's hit Apply. Now check this out. We can see now how many people have seen our ads, how many people have actually clicked on the ads and viewed the product. You can see that drop off. And look, as you go to each column, you see more and more drop off. 503 view contents, 417 add to carts, but only 23 purchases. We spent $271 to make $388. So profitable, but not amazing. Our average cost per customer is $11. This means every time I spend, on average, $11, I acquire a new customer. And below it, spent $44 to make $273. Whoa, that's a really good ad, right? All of a sudden, I go from not knowing which of my ads are great, which one of them are kind of slacking, to having vision. $82 to make $212, $45 to make $184. All right, and if I scroll down, I'm sure I could find some losers for the day, some ads that aren't doing very well. So I'm going to scroll down a little bit and see if I can find some bad ads, because I have over 350 campaigns in here. So I'm sure I could find one that isn't performing that well. So coming down here, let me see if I can find one that's losing money. That would be great to be able to see. So it's taken a while because I have so many campaigns in here. It takes a minute for it to load. All of these are doing like really good. Oh, here we go. I can see right here, this ad has spent $105 to make $114. So I might shut this ad down or scale it down. Point is you can see where you're making money and where you're losing money, and quickly take action and turn your ads off that are losing you money. All right. So if you set everything up the way I told you to, following through this series, if you've got your view content, add to cart and purchase events placed properly on your Shopify store, you should be able to see all of this information and identify your winners, kill your losers, and be left with a very, very profitable Facebook campaign and Facebook account. Okay, so go ahead, go in, set up your columns so you can start seeing the data that you need to see to run your business efficiently and profitably. And I hope you enjoyed this video.